What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Stafi, also known as FIS, which has gone through a major increase in value. As you can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing guys. It has gone up a 70% increase, not even in the last 24 hours but in the last couple of hours it's gone through a major increase in value. So we're going to be going through, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit before it drops back down? Or should you hold on to it before it goes even higher and potentially hitting the $1 mark over the coming days? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Stafi go, and is there crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just over 1.3% in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too good. However, Stafi is the top gainer according to Coinbase in the last 24 hours. And as you guys can see here, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 20% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 70%, and it all started this afternoon. Over the week, 72%, and over the month, a massive 111%. But we all know most of the pump did come from the last, I would say, 7 to 8 hours. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by nearly 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $55 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Stafi. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is going insane right now. Major pumps in value. So yes, we are going to see both buyers and sellers trading the crypto right now. So well, even though it is a risky time. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart. What I'm going to do now is go through the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator here in purple, giving us the average value of Stafi at 46 cents, nearly 47 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at nearly 72 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and the orange line are both looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking too steep, meaning it is not realistic guys. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm not expecting any major pumps from Stafi. Indeed, I am expecting it for it to drop in value down to about 60 to 65 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. But again, do expect it to pump up a little bit higher than what it's worth at the moment over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value around the 60 cents target in the early hours of tomorrow, or even later on today. It's likely to start dropping in value because, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, the crypto has to take a little break, a little step back, and that is exactly what's likely to happen to Stafi as well. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days very similar. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So once again, it is not realistic. Exact same reason applies here. Over the coming days, what I am expecting from Stafi is again an overall drop in value, but again nothing major. Let's say towards the end of this week, I'm expecting Stafi to be trading around the 65 cents target. And again guys, over the next couple of days, do expect some red days before it starts to pick up value and hit green days. So again, that's what I meant by it's a very risky time to get into it right now, as I'm expecting the crypto to take a little step back over the coming days as well before it starts to pump back up in value. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we are looking quite steep only because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, even though yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value over the coming weeks from Stafi, potentially over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So late March, early April 2023, I'm expecting Stafi to be heading over the $1 mark. But guys, it is going to be a slow and steady process. Just because it's pumped right now, it doesn't mean it's going to keep doing that over the coming days and weeks and so on. It is likely to drop back down in value before it starts to slowly pick up value over the coming weeks and months as well. So the dollar mark, I am expecting it to be hit early to mid-April is when I'm expecting Stafi to be hitting the $1 mark. Only reason is, yes, it's at 72 cents right now, but I'm expecting it to drop down to about 50 to 55 cents over the coming week or two before it slowly starts to gain value to about the $1 mark over the coming weeks. So it's only right we give it enough time. Slow and steady processes all the way forward. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see guys, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we are getting closer and closer to hitting the green zone here, which is the resistance of $1.27, and hopefully we should be able to hit that by mid-year, and in the second half of the year we should be able to break out from this zone and head into the green zone and dark green zone as well. And as mentioned in the thumbnail guys, the dollar mark should be here over the next couple of weeks is what I would expect, and potentially heading upwards here to the top tier level towards the very end of the year is what I'm expecting from Stafi. Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs with any major pumps, crashes and so on, these things will have a major impact not just on the value of Stafi but the whole crypto market in general. And that is why I'm here guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market and specific cryptocurrencies as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, for the long run, so far so good for Stafi. However, for the short term, again, it is very risky, but again, it's entirely up to you if you guys want to invest or not. I'm not here to tell you guys invest or don't invest. I'm here to give you guys my prediction on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to do predictions on this channel, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe, because at the end of the day it's free to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.